The laptop industry is currently in a state of panic. For years, the formula was simple. If you wanted a budget computer, you bought a plastic chassis with a dim screen and a processor that felt like it was running through molasses. But in March 2026, Apple didn't just break that formula. They set it on fire with the release of the first MacBook Neo. Starting at just $599, it brought the A18 Pro chip from the iPhone into a laptop frame, finally making the Mac accessible to everyone. But as we sit here today, the rumors coming out of the supply chain in Asia are even more disruptive. We are talking about the MacBook Neo 2. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This isn't just a sequel. This is the machine Apple is using to redefine the entire concept of a computer for the next decade. If you think you know what a cheap laptop looks like, you are about to be proven very, very wrong. To understand the Neo 2, we have to look at the massive dilemma Apple is currently facing. The first Neo was an experiment. It was Apple testing the waters, seeing if people would trade a high-end M-series chip for the efficiency and lower price of an A-series Pro chip from the iPhone. The result? It became the best-selling laptop of the year. But it had flaws. The base model only had 8 GB of RAM. The SSD was half the speed of the MacBook Air. And the screen, while beautiful, lacked the high refresh rate tech that US consumers have become addicted to. The MacBook Neo 2 is designed to fix every single one of those deal breakers, and the leaks suggest it's going to do so while keeping that legendary price point. Let's talk about the heart of this machine, the A19 Pro chip. This is the silicon that will power the iPhone 17 Pro, and its inclusion in a laptop is a masterstroke of engineering. While the M-series chips are built for sustained, heavy-duty workloads, the A19 Pro is built for speed and artificial intelligence. This is the first chip designed from the ground up for the Apple Intelligence era. We are looking at a neural engine that is nearly twice as fast as the one in the current Neo. For the average user in the US, the student writing papers, the creator editing TikToks, the professional managing 100 browser tabs, the A19 Pro isn't just enough. It is overkill. It allows the Neo 2 to handle complex AI tasks like real-time video transcription, generative image editing, and advanced Siri context awareness locally, on-device, without draining your battery in 2 hours. The most controversial leak surrounding the Neo 2 is the RAM. For years, 8 GB is enough has been the most hated phrase in the Apple community. But industry analysts like Ming-Chi Kuo are reporting that for the Neo 2, Apple is finally moving to 12 GB of RAM as the base configuration. Why? Because AI requires memory. You cannot run a large language model and a video editor at the same time on 8 GB without the system stuttering. By moving to 12 GB, Apple isn't just being generous. They are ensuring that the Neo 2 remains viable for the next 6 or 7 years. This is a massive shift in Apple's planned obsolescence strategy. They want you to buy this machine and keep it. But the real hook of the Neo 2 isn't just what's inside, it's how you interact with it. There has been a fierce debate among insiders about the touchscreen Mac. For a decade, Apple told us that touchscreens don't belong on laptops. But look at the market. Over 50% of Chromebooks in US schools have touchscreens. If Apple wants to win the education and first-time buyer market, they have to adapt. The leaks for the Neo 2